Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, U.S. Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about USCIS advancing a new process to grant green cards to certain undocumented immigrants. In a significant move toward immigration reform, USCIS has introduced a new process aimed at granting green cards to certain undocumented immigrants. This initiative marks a pivotal step in addressing the complex and often contentious issue of undocumented individuals residing in the United States. By providing a clear and structured pathway to permanent residency, this process could have profound implications for millions of people, offering them the stability and security that come with legal status. In this video, we'll explore the key aspects of this new process, including eligibility requirements, application procedures, and potential impacts on affected communities. If you are interested in this, so to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services Office published the first part of a guide for immigrants married to Americans. The United States Citizenship and Immigration Services is moving forward with the process for undocumented immigrants who are spouses of Americans to apply for a green card, for which it published a first guide on how the process will be. The agency said it will publish more details of the rule and the process in the Federal Register on August 19. That is the same date that USCIS will begin accepting petitions, not before. So interested immigrants are urged to avoid submitting Form I-130, 130, 130, 131 petitions before that date, as it will be rejected. On August 19, USCIS will begin accepting applications using a new electronic form, Form I-131F. Application for permanent parole for certain non-citizen spouses and stepchildren of US citizens. The agency said Form I-131 will not be available on USCIS.gov until August 19. The new guidance released by the agency will help people interested in this process prepare to file their petition when the time comes. It said in a statement, "We have also updated the key questions and answers about the process on the Keeping Families Together website," it added. Form I-130, 131F must be submitted by both the spouses of Americans and the children who are seeking to receive a green card. These are separate processes. On June 19, President Joe Biden issued a proclamation directing the Department of Homeland Security, which includes USCIS, to facilitate petitions for green cards for undocumented spouses of Americans without having to leave the country. The order will benefit an estimated 500,000 people, including some 50,000 undocumented children. Fraud alert. USCIS insisted that it will not accept forms before August 19, but warned of possible fraud in legal advice from notaries, public, and supposed lawyers. If you need legal advice on immigration matters, make sure the person helping you is licensed. The agency said only an attorney licensed to practice law in the United States or an accredited representative working for an organization recognized by the Department of Justice can provide you with legal advice on immigration matters. The agency added that there are at least 4 ways in which an immigrant could become a victim of fraud. Government impersonators. People who impersonate USCIS officials, so the agency indicated that it only issues communications through its official channels, never through personal accounts. Fraudulent websites. Some websites claim to be affiliated with USCIS, but the agency stated that only USCIS.gov or recognized organizations will report them. Payments by phone or email. USCIS warns that it never asks for money transfers from an individual. We do not accept Western Union, MoneyGram, PayPal, or gift cards as payment for immigration fees. In addition, we will never ask you to pay fees to an individual over the phone or by email. The agency said, notaries public. These individuals are not authorized to provide legal services related to immigration benefits unless they are an attorney admitted to practice law in the United States or an accredited representative working for a recognized organization. The USCIS New Process for granting green cards to certain undocumented immigrants represents a transformative shift in U.S. immigration policy for many. It offers a long-awaited opportunity to secure their future and fully participate in American society. As this process unfolds, it's crucial for those eligible to stay informed and seek legal guidance to navigate the complexities of the application. While this initiative is a step forward, it also highlights the ongoing need for comprehensive immigration reform to address the broader challenges within the system. The path to permanent residency is now clearer for some, but the journey toward a more inclusive and just immigration system continues. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to channel US Immigration News. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we'll be talking about USCIS advancing a new process to grant green cards to certain undocumented immigrants. The USCIS has released the initial part of a guide for undocumented immigrants married to American citizens outlining a new process to apply for a green card. This move is a part of an effort to facilitate permanent residency for non-citizen spouses and stepchildren of US citizens without requiring them to leave the country. The agency will publish further details in the Federal Register on August 19, which is also when it will begin accepting applications using the new electronic form I-131F. USCIS has emphasized that no petition should be submitted before August 19, as in any early application will be rejected. The new guidance, along with updated key questions and answers on the Keeping Families Together website, is designed to help those interested in preparing for application process. Both spouses and stepchildren must file separate petitions under this new process. This initiative follows a proclamation issued by President Joe Biden on June 19, directing the Department of Homeland Security, which oversees USCIS, to streamline the process for undocumented spouses of US citizens to obtain green cards. This policy is expected to benefit around 500,000 people, including approximately 50,000 undocumented children. USCIS has also issued a fraud alert warning potential applicants about the risk of dealing with unauthorized legal advisors. The agency highlighted several common scams, including impersonation of USCIS officials, fraudulent websites, and requests for payments via phone or email. The agency clarified that legal advice should only be sought from licensed attorneys or accredited representatives of organizations recognized by the Department of Justice. This new process represents a significant shift in US immigration policy, offering many undocumented immigrants the opportunity to secure permanent residency and fully participate in American society. However, USCIS advises eligible individuals to stay informed and seek proper legal guidance to navigate the complexities of this new application process.